Hello, I'm Christian Holliday, and I'm giving a speech on how big the universe is and one of the biggest objects that exists in the universe. The universe is really, really, really big. It's so massive that many people say it's an infinitely large circle, which at every point is its center, and some people say that it's just as large as it's expanded over many, many, many years that it's existed. And the biggest objects in the universe are called lyman blobs. These massive blobs actually a technical term for it. I know it sounds kind of weird. But what these blobs are, they're really, really large clouds of gas that emit a kind of radiation called lyman line, which is in the red light spectrum of radiation. Now, they were discovered in 2000 by the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan, and they were discovered only by using a high redshift scale so they could see the radiation emitted by all the particles of the gas. Lyman blobs are large. They're extremely large, and they're clouds of gas that emit all kinds of radiation, and they are connected with the early universe and the beginning, like the birth of galaxies. And when we get these massive clouds, we need massive objects that attract the clouds. When you get massive objects, you think of like stars and black holes. So when the universe started, there were many massive suns, and these massive suns condensed and became black holes that were supermassive that made the galaxies we see today. And lyman blobs are ancient relics of what the early universe probably looked like a very, very long time ago. The lyman blobs that we were talking about are 200 million light years in diameter. That's extremely large. The Milky Way in comparison is only 100,000 light years. It's 200 million to only 100,000. The size is deceptive because that's only how long it is. It's also 200 million light years this way, and it's also 200 million light years that way. So when you take all that together, it's 8 times 10 to the 24th power, which is equivalent to 80 septillion, which is an 8 with 24 zeros directly after that. And if you've ever been near a big count, you can only see 1 or 2 zeros, and you can't see over 24 zeros. So it's kind of big. And there are so many large things in this universe, and the lyman blobs are the biggest thing in this big universe.
You?
Yeah.